So this is the question given. In this question we are asked to find multiple correlation coefficient and regression equation. So first of all we have to calculate statistical values using calculator in two variable mode for x1 and x2, x1 and y, and x2 and y. So by using calculator we will calculate the values. By using calculator, ex1 is equal to 80, ex1 square is equal to 1018, ex1 x2 is equal to 6727, ex2 is equal to 648, ex2 square is equal to 52856, ex1 y is equal to 9070, ey is equal to 890, ey square is equal to 100250, ex2y is equal to 72465. In this question we have denoted experience with x1, performance with x2, and salary with y. Now to use the regression equation coefficient formula, we have to find ry1, ry2 and r12. So we will find it by using the formulas. ry1 is equal to n summation y x1 minus summation y summation x1 by root over n summation y square minus summation y whole square into n summation x1 square minus summation x1 whole square. Here n is 8 into now summation y is 890. No, summation y x1 is equal to 9070 minus summation y is 890 and summation x1 is 80 by root over 8, n is 8, into summation y square 100250 minus summation y whole square. So summation y is 890, it's whole square, into root over again n is 8 and summation x1 square is 1018, and then minus summation x1 is 80 whole square. Now it is 0.32. By using calculator we can calculate it. It is 0.32. Similarly we have to find ry2. Its formula is n summation y x2 minus summation y into summation x2 by root over n into summation y square minus summation y whole square into root over n into summation x2 square minus summation x2 whole square. N is 8, summation x2 summation y x2 is 72465. It's 72465 minus summation y is 890, summation x2 is 648, 48 by root over n is 8 into summation y square is 100,250 minus summation y whole square, that is 890 whole square, into root over 8 into summation x2 whole square is 52856 minus summation x2 whole square, summation x2 whole square is summation x2 is 648, so 648 whole square root over by using calculator we will find this value is 0.56. Also we have to find R12. R12 is given by n summation x1 x2 minus summation x1 summation x2 into summation x2 by root over n into summation x1 whole square, summation x1 square minus summation x1 whole square into n into summation x2 square minus summation x2 whole square, n is 8, and summation x1 x2 is 6727 minus summation x1 is 80 into summation x2 is 648, and by root over 8 into summation x1 square is 1018 minus summation x1 whole square is 80 whole square into 8 into summation x2 whole square, that is 52856 minus 648 whole square. By using the calculator we will its value is 0.87. Now multiple regression coefficient R y on 1 2. Here y is dependent on 1 and 2, salary is dependent in experience and performance, so R y12 is equal to root over R y1 square plus R y2 square minus 2 R y1 R y2 into R12 by 1 minus R12 square. Now we will put the values that we have found out, ry1, ry2 and r12 in this formula to find ry12. So putting all the values in this formula, 0.32 whole square plus 0.56 whole square minus 2 into 0.32 into 0.56 into 0.87 by 1 minus 0.87 whole square, and calculating this value we get 0.65. Therefore salary is strongly correlated with experience and performance because it is more than 0.5 or it is nearer to 1. That's why it is strongly correlated with experience and performance. Now in the second part of question it is required to find the regression equation, so let us find it. Let the regression equation be y is equal to a plus bx1 plus C x2. Question 1. Now if we multiply it by summation, if we summation it, then an a plus b summation x1 plus c summation x2, and let this be equation 2. Now when we multiply it by x1, it will be summation x1y, a summation x1 plus b summation x1 square plus c summation x1. Let this be equation 3. Now when we multiply equation 2 by x2, then it will be summation x2 y, a summation x2 plus b summation x1 x2 plus c summation x2 square. Let this be equation 4. Now putting values in equation second, third and 4, we will put all the values that we have found previously from these values that we have calculated from calculator. $890 is equal to, number is given 8, so 8a plus $80b plus ex2 is 648c, and then 9070. This is from equation 1. 9070 is equal to 80a plus ex1 square is 1018b plus ex1 is 80c, x2y is 72465, ex2 is 648 plus x1 x2 is 6727b plus ex2 square, x2 square is 52856, 52856 c. Now solving above equations using calculator, we get value of a is equal to 94.48, b is equal to 1.48 and c is equal to 0.23. So now we will put this a, b, c and value in equation 1. Putting values of a, b, c in equation 1, we get equation of regression as y is equal to 94.48 plus bx1, that is